All right, so spirit of might.
Okay.
My brother. When eventually make any understanding, and that's why I talked about my father, late Honorable Chief J.A. Enowas. He was a member, Bendel State House of Assembly, representing Dokwa local government. Then the 3 local governments we have today in Dokwa Nation was one local government. You understand? He was part of those who signed for Anioma State during the time of Nosike Igbo. Ndokwana Nyama, they say, they don't know they. We create Anioma State, for example, Abina Day. Then can you do it in a quarter time? Because we're creating more local governments. More local governments we're creating. Every night that you should be in a Jotapan, a Japan, and a memo for the memo for the but when did he create that local government now? Abe, the local government headquarters of Itichupan. And you see, Emu, Ogume, Osan, Nabe, the one local government. That is animal G3. Abro local government can if I know get fat obviously can measure campaign self. You don't need to go to Kuala again or much places again. Okadina very short place. So anyway state or the more beneficial to us because every election Ndokwa must produce a senator. Every single election. Whether whichever party the person is going to come from, but the important thing is that Ndokwa Nation have a senator at the National Assembly. Instead of us now to have one House of Rep member, Akemweto, because the entire Anioma, or you can multiply it to 9. Every state has 3 senatorial districts. That is to say, Anioma now can say 3 senators instead of 1 senator in every given election. So, when you whether I work or when it is say, Anya Bundibo, and you can just artist, Cherio. When you see Bonye Urubodak, when you see Bonyi Soko watching the only in South South. Do you think actually that government will use because of you are from this place before they create a particular geographical or what do you call it, geopolitical zone? Anyabundejo. Kobanyabunde Akwa Shirani in South South. So where are we in South South? So if we can be in South South with people, Anyabunde Wabofu, Onusanya Abash in Igbo, okay, so we can also be in South East also. But the truth is that we are Igbos.
Yes.
You can't deny that fact. And then you could say geopolitical zone we belong doesn't matter. It matters a lot.
Yes.
To me, it matters a lot. So Nagwas and Ukwuani. Ijekanani Kijanki, Jekuma, what Horosan, Apune online, and I got 1 decade. No. Yabi June, my brother Ochonogo. And Spirit Almighty.
Okay, Ochonogo.
Okay, Ochonogo. Yad came through. Now once Ijekanani KJJ. And Anioma State now in Ukwuani. Only if you take a ban. Osando one ban no etarono. Though each on the key did call like a senatorial district as a minority. Only to be for the Rebecca, or each on the Canibro state ekan. Or when you can have brother machine even.
Yaquenelo.
Or when you can no good machine even.
Wow.
Or get it no bullish in across the Niger delay.
Wow.
Oh, kid in the Western region, you are not one man. Western region Yoruba territory.
Bible Kawunda.
When you wait in Midwest and I say, you're from Midwest and Yabani, Bender State. It didn't change you from Ukwuani. Evaluation is Bender. Jenny Delta State, where didn't make South entirely away from Western region. Entirely away.
Yes.
You go east, you see we are original this and that. You were original Western region. Nabanime South. Did you stop being an Ukwuani man? So even if they take you to Northeast, South. You are still an Ukwuani man. Nobody is tampering with your culture and your tradition.
When
and your this last one it's just like you are saying, I am not a Delta. Oh no, I'm not a Nigerian, but I'm a Delta. Ibonye Delta, ya bu Nigeria. Man, I'm Ukwuani. Mbonya be.
Abashi monyogu membo. Abu monyokwani bonyogu.
I'm not an Ukwuani man. You know when Ukwuani was created?
Ukwuani bo efa wo sen na Sando Kwani as a united people.
You sky united ka buba make am mele ni yasha blufu.
Elenu ke Anioma gide no Sande na Sobia in Delta State.
That is the same name that hold us as Igbo people.
And that name Igbo, Sandena Sobia worldwide.
Thank you, Spiritual Almighty.
Elenu kode.
Okay. Create Anioma State chain in Southeast.
Kenu bejo.
Ogakoro. And only for them. Onye iwe jigwe relocate.
Ejoku. Okwa elenu kode. Also. Okay, Rich K. Ekute olio. Elenu kuda ka audio anye bụ Ukwuani abụ ndị Igbo Anioma State ka achọne ka wesa Anioma ka anyị nwere anyị dị na Southeast no the north ani bụ ofu Ukwuani bụ Igbo Anioma State is a go Ishiegware